What's going on, guys? It's Nico Moreno here, and I'm coming at you today with another awesome free video on chatbots. Now, what we're going to be talking about today is how to hook up a bot flow template to a Facebook comments growth tool. So this is a little bit more of a specific case, but I wanted to address this because a lot of you guys have been asking me about this, especially those of you who are in the course who have access to all of those bot flow templates. And you want to hook them up to your existing Facebook posts. So this is a super quick way how to do it. It's actually really simple. It's really easy. The only thing is it's kind of hard to find where to do it in ManyChat. All right, so that's what we're going to do. So before we move into the video today, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and be sure to hit the red subscribe button down below if you want to get more awesome free content like this. All right, guys, let's get into it. Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, we're going to talk about how to hook up a bot flow to a Facebook page post. Okay, so for all the templates that are in the course, for all the bot flow templates that I've created and put for you in the course there that you can instantly import into your account, this is how you would hook them up to an actual Facebook page post using the Facebook comments growth tool. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that you have that flow in your ManyChat account already. So that's step one. Step number two is create a new Facebook comments growth tool and just go through all the regular steps that you would to create the growth tool. So you have the post in there. You've already set all that stuff up. Okay, so this is the final step of when you're in the Facebook growth tool section. And what you would do is once you click on opt-in actions, it doesn't really matter. You just have to not have this one selected, so you can select either of these right here, whichever is going to fit your situation. And then what you would do here is you need to go into edit the opt-in message. Okay, so you got to click edit right here. Let's save this. Okay, so you click edit right here. And then what you do is you edit this message. So this is going to be the first message, whatever you want it to say, you just edit that the way that you want, and then you do continue to another step. It's a little bit hard to see. It's kind of annoying, but you have to scroll down a little bit and then click continue to another step, and then you click choose next step, and then you click go to a flow. Okay? And then what you would do there is you click on that, and then you click here to select the flow, and then it's going to show you all the flows here, and you can add any right here. So let's just click this one, select this flow, and then you're all good. Okay, so open this flow. You're actually all set right here. Open this flow is just going to show you like what it looks like. Okay, so that's how you do it. So let's go back to this message here. Oops, you got to be kind of careful because it can easily navigate you out of the right place. But we see here it's going to go to a new flow, and then we've already picked it. It's called closing. So that's how you do it. It's simple, but it's really just like the places that you have to go and click, they're kind of out of the way and hidden. So that's how you do it. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. And oh, make sure you click publish up there. All right. So we click the publish button right here, and then we're all good to go. All right. All right, thanks so much, guys, for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got value out of it, if you liked what you saw, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I really appreciate every single one. Also, if you like this content, if you like this video, and if you want to get more awesome free content from me, please be sure to hit that big red subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell to get notifications every time I upload a brand new video for you. All right, thanks so much, guys, and this has been Nico Moreno. I'll see you guys next time.